Of COVID-19 cases continues to rise. The city of New Haven is increasing testing in some of its hardest hit neighborhoods. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live now in the Elm City with that part of our coverage. Matt?
Well, Dennis, New Haven now has 4 testing sites, 1 more on the way. And early on when they started coming out, they were drive-through sites. These are different. You're going to be actually able to walk up to them. And that's a big need in this area because many folks, they don't have issues to transportation. And they're going into neighborhoods that have been described as COVID hotspots. Gowned up, these healthcare workers are ready to greet those wondering if they have the coronavirus. Earlier this week, New Haven Mayor Justin ELICKER announced 2 new COVID-19 testing sites in 2 of New Haven's hardest hit neighborhoods. Fairhaven Community Health Care on Grand Avenue and the Cornell Scott Hill Health Center on Dixwell Avenue.
Cornell Scott said that their phone number was swamped, their call center was swamped with requests.
The city says the virus is impacting a higher percentage of Hispanic and African American residents, and it's why these new sites, which launched Wednesday, are important.
One of the things that community health centers do is that we're in the community. We've built trust, and we're hoping that we can leverage that and bring in folks who might otherwise not, might be fearful of testing or might not be able to access it.
Unlike the city's first 2 sites, which were drive-through only, here you can just walk in. Any New Haven resident with symptoms or who's been exposed to someone who's tested positive can call to set up an appointment. Both locations expect to test 20 to 30 patients a day.
We anticipate similarly being able to swab people on 15-minute increments. And as well that the turnaround time for test results will be about 3 days.
Rodney Williams, a community organizer and business owner, feels when it comes to testing, these neighborhoods needed it long ago.
We knew it was impacting the black community because at first I didn't think it was, but when we realized it was, I don't understand why it took so many people in this community and the black communities for them to get the testing, for us to get the help.
But Cornell Scott was in fact already doing limited testing, and now they and others are expanding.
Hopefully we can meet the needs of our community. That's what we're there for.
Now again, while it is a walk-in service, New Haven residents need to call ahead so they can get that time slot for this testing. Also, what about cost? People were asking. Well, the healthcare providers say if you have insurance, your insurance will be billed. If you're uninsured, they say don't worry, no one will be turned away. We're live with the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Okay.